This is my RV, so follow me in. So this is a 1986, sorry, Winnebago. It's just 1 year older than me. When it's not in use for camping or the racetrack, it's mostly used for storage. So right now, in the front, you have the controls to make it go places. You have a steering wheel, gas, brake pedal, and stuff like that. The engine lives right here in between the people, between driver and passenger. It's very loud, and yeah, you have a radio so you can play music, and they have tapes. This is the Russian one. Anyways, so that's basically the front. The heat doesn't work, the AC doesn't work. It likes to overheat when pushing it too hard. Yeah, that's the front part of it. The wind goes up and down on the door. You have a door, so that's nice. So here, if I bring it to your attention, this is a dinette, which is overrun by many things. It's somewhat organized under the dinette, but you have a specialty toolbox here for like special tools. I have another toolbox that I traded the whole car for. Then we have like bolts and nuts right here, and no jack stands and a ladder. On the top you just basically have random stuff like drill bits, a battery charger, a clamp for camera, so you can clamp this on and you can swivel and position the way you want it. It's kind of nice. Made it myself. And you have my racing gear and some other tools and miscellaneous things. And as you entered, you saw the bins of storage. This is mostly random bins, so all the random crap is in those bins. And you have a shelf, which you need to replace because this one is too large, so I got a smaller one.
Let's walk.
Got Halloween stuff. Sometimes I would put it on like that, and then whenever there's a school kid bus, I'll put it on. They'll freak out usually looking at it. It's fun. Basically, this is the kitchen area mostly. You have a fridge here that I haven't used for a while because I haven't needed the need. You have a stove here that I use to make tea and some other stuff. Welding helmet. My radio gear is here. You can see. Not used anymore as much, but it's still here. Masks because COVID. Like if you need a mask, there's a mask. Don't use the water or sink or anything like that. It's just mostly storage. I got some sparklers for the time off, so we can just sparkle. Okay. You have some more storage here. Like that. You have some stuff here. Some stuff's there. There's a lot of stuff that I haven't installed yet. The should, like the airbags for the front to make it drive better. I don't know what that is. This is the ignition system for that truck, just in case it fails, so I can replace it on the fly. Paper and oh look, the stuff I was looking for. And one time I burned my face off, so a friend gave me this potion. This is not from a doctor, but when they mix stuff together, and this really worked great. It stopped my face from hurting. I survived the entire night on this thing. Just a little spray, a napkin of wet paper towel, and yeah, till woke up the next day. Basically, it was fun. Not really. I'll get past through here. So you have my bicycle here. That my friend gave it to me. It gets us from wherever we are to the bathroom really quick. So whenever we need to poop or pee, whatever. I have a welder here which I need to grab right on the bottom. Totally doesn't work. I don't use it. So and there's the sink with my sink stuff, just like whatever for the shower and whatever else. There's a shower. There's a shower here. It's kind of blocked off, but that's a shower. And this is the, my bed, the nice bed. And just in case, I have a picture of my wife with me. She doesn't get mad. That's pretty much it. That's the RV. That's the tour of the RV. There's some other miscellaneous stuff here, like storages in here. For RVs, there's a lot of hidden compartments always. So, yeah, that's pretty much it.